Okay, I'll harvest a handful of green beans today. Okay, I have some okra growing. No blooms on them yet, but they're gonna come. Come on, okra. Come on and grow. Grow a lot of okra for us. Okay, the tomatoes are still growing. Come on, tomatoes. Get big for us. Get bigger. I see another cucumber growing. They have a lot of blooms, but this heat is slowing them down from growing. The cucumbers. Come on, y'all cucumbers, come on and get pollinated here and grow us a whole lot of cucumbers this season. Last season we had a lot of them growing. Come on, cucumbers. Got some beautiful blooms on you. Yellow flowers blooming here. Now come on and grow us some cucumbers. Okay, the watermelon patch is getting full over there with leaves. Still have some blooms, but no big watermelons showing up yet. I have some cantaloupe growing in this bed here. Come on, cantaloupe. Come on, watermelon. Come on and grow us a lot of watermelons this season. Come on, bell peppers. Get big for me. I see a lot of blooms on you. I see you there. Okay, bell pepper. Yeah, I see it right there. Look at that. There you go. Okay. Come on, get bigger for me. Come on, bell peppers. Grow big. Okay, over here in my collard green bed, the bugs really were eating them up real bad. I had to chop off a lot of the dead leaves, but look at here. Look like they're growing back. They had a lot of aphids was on here eating them up, and some slugs. But look at that. It's trying to grow me back some more collard greens. It's coming out the middle here. Still have some collard greens growing in all of this heat. Look over here, I still have some mustard greens growing. Okay, mustard greens, y'all holding up good.